In today's video, I'll show you how to create an energetic opening where camera-like flashes and quick zooms bring your video into focus. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline. Tap on the clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Now, switch to the In tab. Since this controls how the clip enters the screen, scroll through the animations until you find close-up blinks, then apply it. As soon as you do, you'll see bright flashes combined with fast zoom movements, creating a bold and flashy reveal. Remember, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a tied layer. Use the duration slider to control how intense the flashes feel. A shorter duration creates sharp, fast flashes, while a longer duration makes the effect feel more controlled and cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the flashes hit at the right moment. And that's it. You've successfully added a camera flash zoom reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.